In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen and your face at the same time using Zoom. If you want that clean picture-in-picture style without doing extra editing later, this method makes it really easy using Zoom's built-in tools. Start by opening your Zoom meeting. Once you're inside, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the window and find the Share button. This is the same button you normally use when presenting slides, a browser, or your desktop. Click on Share, and a new window will pop up showing all the things you can present. From here, choose the specific screen or application you want to record. For example, you might select your slide presentation, a browser tab, or a software window. Choosing a single app usually keeps things cleaner and more focused. Now pay attention to the layout options on the side of this window. This is where Zoom allows you to combine your camera with your shared content in one frame. You'll see a few layout styles. One option places your video in front of your content, giving it a more immersive look. Another keeps your camera as a small overlay, which works well if you don't want to block important details. And another splits the screen so both your face and your content are clearly visible side by side. Pick the one that best fits what you're trying to show. There's no best choice here. It depends on whether you want more focus on your face or your content. Once you've selected your layout, click Share. At this point, your screen and camera are already combined and visible in that layout. Before you start recording, take a quick second to check your positioning. Make sure your face isn't covering anything important, and adjust your content if needed so everything stays visible. Now you're ready to record. Go back to the toolbar and click the Record button. Zoom will begin capturing everything exactly as it appears, your screen and your face together in one video. As you record, try to speak clearly and keep a steady pace. Look toward your camera when explaining key points so it feels more engaging. Good lighting and clear audio will make a big difference in the final result. When you're finished, click Stop Recording and then end the meeting. Zoom will automatically process your recording and save it to your computer or cloud, depending on your settings. And that's all there is to it. Share your screen, choose your layout, and hit record. Everything comes together in one clean video without extra work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.